continue from where we stopped before. We need to remind ourselves on alphabets, which is alphabet. What is alphabet? That is in Yoruba. A, B, D, E, F, G, B. I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. And we have already talked about vowel, which is vowel. And the vowel, I said that we have two aspects. That is vowel aranmupe and vowel airanmupe, which is an, e, I, o àti on. Ìyẹn ni vowel aranmupe. The second one is vowel airanmupe. A, E, I, O, U. We've learned that one before. But the one we want to talk today is how to write, how to pronounce it in different ways. Also, when we are talking about the alphabet, we will talk about the syllable, and the sounds, àmì ohùn. The syllable in Yoruba, syllable. We've taught that one before. So I want to write it on the board now. That is the continuation. Ìtẹ̀síwájú. Lórí pípè, kíkọ, àti kíkà. Ìtẹ̀síwájú, the continuation on how to spell it, how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to read it in different ways. A máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí ìró letter. We need to start from the how to call it. A, B, I've mentioned those ones. But we want to start from A now. For example, a, ajá. In that a, ajá. Ajá, we can see two syllables there. That is syllable méjì. Ajá, remi. I've taught you about the sound. I've taught you about the sign. That is ajá, remi. And the syllable is two. A, já. A, ja, this is it. And you want to use the ajá to form some sentences. My dog is in the farm. My dog went to the field. My dog ate my food. Ajá mi jẹ. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja. Look at it. Ẹja. We need to put the sign. I've taught you that one before. Ajá, remi. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja. Now look at it. Ẹja, rere. I've told you that it's not going to have a sign at the top. Jẹ, re. Remi do re. Mimi re. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja. You can see now. Ajá, two syllables. Ajá. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja. You can. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja. For more explanation, so I will now write me. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja mi. My dog ate my fish. My dog ate my fish. We can see it. This is it, what we are talking about. Dog, ajá. Ajá mi jẹ ẹja mi. My dog ate my fish. We have another one, which is àgbàdo. Àgbàdo is maize. You can call it maize, corn. The one we are eating, corn, maize, àgbàdo. Àgbàdo. I want to write it down. Àgbàdo. What is àgbàdo? Maize. Maize. You can say maize, you can say corn. Àgbàdo. In this àgbàdo, this corn, we can bring out a syllable from it. We divide it into 3 parts. Àgbàdo. The way we call it out. Then we now put sign at the top. I've told you, do, re, mi before. Now, àgbàdo, do, re, do, re. Anything re, I've told you that it has no sign. Àgbàdo, àgbàdo. Now, I want to bring out a word from àgbàdo. Mo fẹ́ jẹ àgbàdo. I want to eat a corn. I want to eat a maize. My maize is in the farm. My maize is with my sister. My corn is with my brother. Now look at it. Àgbàdo, do, re, àgbàdo. This is the continuation, àgbàdo. I said corn or maize. Àgbàdo, the syllable is 3. Àgbàdo, do, re. Àgbàdo, corn, maize. Now, we are forming a word with a and how to pronounce it. Àgbàdo. Mo fẹ́ jẹ àgbàdo. Mo fẹ́ jẹ. Mo fẹ́ jẹ àgbàdo.